Hello, Facebook Live. Hello out there. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. I think this is episode 119, I believe. I've been doing these Facebook Lives since the beginning of March, so quite a while now. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you, everybody, for joining me. If you are watching this live, if you just leave a comment, hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Thank you. I appreciate and it means a lot to Marcus and I for the continued support that we keep getting. So, hello Bob, hello Rosie, hello Anna, hello. Thank you. Wow, new faces on. Hello Jason. Thank you so much. Let's see. So, update from the weekend. So it's now starting to get cooler outside. It is, let's see, it's getting cooler at night. So our fire pit is going. We had to light our heaters this weekend. We had people who came in later. We added a little bit more light to the back garden. So we do have the back garden area available for dining. We are starting to clean up our inside dining room so that if it does get cold, we can see people inside as well if they don't want to be outside. So we are in that process of getting that ready to go. For those of you that don't know, we've been a market since the beginning of March as well. And so our dining room has lots of wine and food and a freezer. So we're doing wild salmon and wild fish and frozen fish. So we have a freezer in here. So we're just starting to get ourselves together so that we can see people inside. The streets were closed again this weekend. It wasn't as busy out on the street. We did our lobster bake. Marcus and I are talking about changing it up a little bit this next weekend, so stay tuned for some big announcements. Aroma Time is closed on Tuesday and Wednesday for our new fall hours. So if you are coming in, we recommend you make reservations. We're only taking reservations day of because we're watching the weather. And let's see what else is going on. So this week on special, we have Alice, this Verdecca from Salentina, from southern Italy, from Produttoria di Manduria. And we're going to be doing a wine dinner next Monday, so a week from today, September 21st at 6:30, $25 a person, 4 different wines, and a dish in our garden, social distance. Marcus and I walk around, we pour wine for you, and you get a dish to enjoy with your wine as well. So call ahead, make reservations, $25 a person. We are taking advance reservations for that. So hello everybody. I got a lot of new names and faces on here. Hello George, hello Joe, hello Ann, hello Michael, hello Jason. Stay tuned for Marcus and I. We are now doing a podcast / FaceTime Instagram. It is called Wine Time with Jamie and Marcus. So we will probably do one tomorrow night and one on Wednesday. So stay tuned for those. Since we're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we're trying to add to our podcast. Tonight we have a $9.99 special. We don't do them all the time, but we're going to start getting back into it. Now it's fall time. So we have $9.99 tiki masala chicken with rice to go only for $9.99 tonight. So you can call ahead, 647-3000, place your order and come pick it up. You tell us what time and you can come pick that up. Let's see, we have wines to go. We have a lot going on here. Marcus and I have been busy. We had a busy weekend. And today I'm making a fun fall cocktail. It is called a Cran Apple Mule. So it has cranberry juice, apple juice, vodka, ginger beer, and lime juice. So I'm going to make that for you in my copper cup. That's kind of the Mule cup. I am actually going to grab the lime juice because I forgot the lime juice. All right, I am going to add 3 or 4 squirts of the lime juice. So into my cup, I'm going to add 2 ounces of Granger organic vodka. So that is a Mule, and then you add beer. That is a Moscow Mule when it comes with vodka. But today we're going to add some organic apple juice. So a splash of apple juice. I'm going to add a splash of cranberry juice. And then I'm going to top it off with ginger beer. So thank you everybody for watching me. And then you can put apples in here, fresh apples. You can put fresh cranberries. I don't have any fresh cranberries, or else I would put some fresh cranberries in there because that sounds delicious. So this is a nice fall mule. So this might actually make it on our menu as well. So let's taste it and see how it is. Oh, that's lovely. You get more of the apple than you do the cranberry, but this is easy to make at home. You need vodka, apple juice, cranberry juice, and lime juice and ginger beer. So you can make this drink at home. Hello Chris, hello Mom, hello Candace. I see a couple of other people on, so thank you very much. Hello Matthew. Again, next Monday, September 21st, 6:30, we have a wine dinner in the garden. It is Product di Manduria, Produttori di Manduria. We will have 4 of their wines. It is Southern Italy. This is the Verdecca. It's on sale this week. How much is it a bottle, Marcus, this week? $12.99 this week. So you can stop in, pick this up. Have to get food, but you can take that home with you as well. So $12.99 this week here at Aroma Time. It's awesome. You can even taste it. We'll give you a taste of it. Make sure that you like it and take it home. We have our $9.99 special tonight. Tiki masala chicken and rice to go. $9.99. We're closed Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we're back with our burger special. $9.99 burgers to go. I am going to sign off. Thank you very much, everybody. Have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for happy hour.